There are two main types of exercise: anaerobic exercise and aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise is exercise that's done with oxygen. Exercise such as walking, running, cycling, or swimming. Aerobic exercise is done over a certain period of time. Your heart rate usually stays between 60 and 80% of its maximum heart rate during aerobic exercise. It's thought of as being done with oxygen because the energy that your body needs to perform this exercise is supplied entirely by the oxygen that you're breathing. Aerobic exercise works your main muscle groups, the large muscles in your body. It needs to be done for about 20 minutes or more in order to feel the effects. And you also will be developing and building your endurance, or your ability to do something for a longer period of time, when you do aerobic exercise.